guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you the torque specs guys for the spark plugs on Dodge Dart guys 2.4 engine. If you have the 2.0 and 1.4 guys, we'll have videos for those coming soon as well. Now, as you can see guys, the engine is out of this car. Why? Because we'll be making more than 100 videos guys on this engine alone. So we want to show you everything how to do it guys, and the only way to do that is removing the engine out of the car so we can show you with a great detail where things are. In addition, we have more than 200 videos on this Dodge Dart and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful. For the spark plug torque specs guys, you're going to need a torque wrench, and if you need this one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So we have the video on the channel how to remove spark plugs and all that stuff guys, but what I'll be doing now, okay, I'm going to remove the old plug, okay, we're going to get the new one, and I'll show you how to, what the torque specs are. Now we need a spark plug socket, this one guys, or all the tools that we use guys, you can find in the description of the video below, or if you need to buy new plugs as well. Now, never ever guys use the torque wrench, okay, to get spark plugs loose, because you don't want to get things loose with your torque wrench, because you can damage it guys. So, get it loose. That spark plug socket is a special socket that has a rubber bushing, okay, that keeps the plug, okay, attached to the socket, so, okay, it goes like that. Now, we'll go ahead guys and show you, okay, what the torque specs is. Let me get a wrench now. So, we get a new plug guys, okay. We get it on the socket, you always start it by hand. So what I found now, okay, I found different sources and some say 15 foot-pound torque spec, some say 20. The most I found was like 20 guys, most consistent one, and people said that worked on that engine quite a bit, they said 20 foot-pound, or if you use the conversion tables, I think it's 27 Newton meters. So this is a torque wrench. You can find guys again the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. You get it loose, okay, and this side is foot-pound, okay, we're going to go to 20, okay, like that. On the other side it says Newton meters, 27.1. so this is a click type wrench. When you reach the torque specs, what's going to happen, you'll hear a click and the handle move a little bit. You need to stop immediately. If you go more, you're going to over torque it. If you put too much torque, it's aluminum head, you can strip the spark plug and it's really bad guys. So listen now. This is it guys, okay, this is the torque specs. 20 Newton meter and this spark is ready to go. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.